Okay, so for the first CAD drawing we're going to do is a very simple object here. It's for CAD Packet 1, Part 1, we're going to go ahead and just, we'll do the AutoCAD template, start out fresh. So when we bring that up, what we're going to do is, I'm going to turn off my grid here. I'm going to go ahead and go to my Home tab. And I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a line. So I do a line. If you turn on, I just select somewhere random. If you turn on this ortho mode, you can plug in your distances. So I'm going to type 6.5. I'm going to go up 2.5. Go over, yeah, do some math. 6.5 minus 3.5 is 3. We'll go up 2.5 minus, or 4.5 minus 2.5 is 2. We'll go over 3.5. And then a little cool command is you can hit close or click close, and it'll close it right where you started. So that creates our object. Next thing I would do is I'd do an offset command, O, and you can type in the distance, 1.5. What I'm doing is I'm actually coming over here, selecting it this way. I'm going to do the other one while I'm at. This is actually defining the center of my circles. So I'm going to do another offset, distance of 1. I'll come up, put that one there. If you hit space like I just did, it repeated the command. I'm going to type the distance 2. Now this is the center of this circle, and this is the center of that circle. So I'm going to go select my circle, or you could do C. I have my object snaps turned on, so if you want to turn any of these on, apparent intersection is what I typically use if you're in a 3D data. Endpoint, center, intersection, I turn extension off. So, but that's the X's right there. So what you can do is you can do a circle, intersection, and it's asking you specify the radius. So half of the 2 is 1, and then for this intersection, half of 1 is 0.5, and these are your object lines. What I'm going to do is, because I want to create my center lines with my alphabet lines, I'm actually going to do an offset and type 0.25. And I'm just going to offset it this way, this way. One reason I'm doing this is because I can make my center lines look good. So I'm going to go to a trim, select this line, and just define where I want to trim at. Space, repeat the command. And I'm going to hit E for erase, and just select these and erase them. Only thing I need to do now is change these, and if you notice our lines on there, so we're going to click other, and we're going to load. I'm going to go find center. Click OK, OK. Now I should be able to pull these to center too. Now we got nice center lines. If you notice though, if you click on this show high line weights, our object lines are not thicker than a regular line. So what we're going to do is we'll pull it down, make it 0.3. So now you can make them a little bit thicker, make them look better. So next thing we gotta do is just throw some dimensions on here. So we'll go linear, we'll go endpoint to endpoint so we don't get any of our extension lines on top of each other. And I'm just going right around, putting my dimensions on the part. You may notice the units are 3 decimal places or 4 decimal places instead of 3. That's fine for right now. You can change it in the dim style, but that's not part of this one. So we'll go diameter, select this and there. And other than that, that is that part right there. Problem 1.